If you don't like harsh chemicals but still want clean teeth, try this homemade mouthwash. Dental plaque is that sticky film of bacteria on your teeth, and if left unchecked, it turns into tartar. Not good, but don't worry, we've got a simple and effective remedy to tackle it naturally. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup warm water, 2 tablespoons hydrogen peroxide, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 2 drops of peppermint essential oil if you want that fresh feel. To prepare, just mix the warm water, hydrogen peroxide, and baking soda in a cup. Stir in the salt until it dissolves and add that peppermint oil for a refreshing touch. Now here's how to use it. Swish a small sip for 30 seconds, focusing on your gums and teeth. Remember, spit it out, don't swallow. Do this twice daily for the best results. And don't forget about vitamin K2. It helps transport calcium to your teeth, strengthening enamel and reducing plaque buildup. Load up on K2-rich foods like eggs, cheese, and leafy greens. For fresher breath and healthier teeth, brush and floss daily, drink plenty of water, and limit sugary snacks. Try this homemade mouthwash and keep your smile bright naturally. For more wellness tips, like, share, and subscribe to
Science of Wellness.